Hello dear students, I welcome you all on the online platform of KRT Arts, BH Commerce and AM Science, that is KTHM College Nasik. I am Sharai Sonone from the Department of English. This video is for the students of FIBA. In this video, I will deal with compulsory English and I will mainly focus on the indefinite articles a and an. In the previous video, I discussed how to use the definite article the, and now in this video I will discuss how to use the indefinite articles a and an. The definite articles are used to refer to nouns non-specifically or in a general way. Now look at this slide. It contains the rules of using the articles a and an. These articles come before singular countable nouns which are not specific. You have to keep in mind we don't use a or an before uncountable or plural nouns. Now look at these examples. A flower always has its beauty in itself. An owl is blind during daytime. A cat is on the table. An orange is a citrus fruit. Now in these 4 sentences I have underlined the nouns. Flower, owl, cat, orange, these are singular countable nouns, and before that I have used an, a and an. Next rule, the article a is used with the noun begins with a consonant. This is very important rule of using article a. Look at these examples. A cat, a bird, a house, a nurse. Each noun starts with a consonant sound k, b, h and n. Next rule, the article an is used when the noun begins with a vowel sound. Now look at these examples. An apple, an egg, an ink, an orange, an uncle. Now all these nouns start with a vowel sound. These are the 5 vowels a, e, I, o, u, and an comes before the noun. Now look at these examples. I bought a pen. Jaya was reading a novel. He is a teacher. A snake is on the tree. I am an English teacher. Raju is an honest man. She is an Indian. It is an interesting film. So in all these examples I have underlined the nouns and the articles a and an. Now let's look at this slide. It contains some words. Look at the first example. A European country, a one-day conference, a university, an honest man, an hour, an FBI agent, an MBA. Now see why we use a for European country, for a one-day workshop, for university. And why do we use an before honest man, hour, FBI agent, and MBA. Look at the first example, a European country. The word contains E. E is, in the previous slide you have studied that E is one of the vowels, but here when we pronounce the word European, it begins with the consonant U, that is Y. Y is a consonant, and because of this we write A before the word European. Second example, a one-day conference. Again, the word one contains the letter O, but when we pronounce the word one, it contains a consonant V. So the sound is V. Because of this, we add A before the word one. Next example, a university. The word begins with the letter U, but when we pronounce the word, it begins with Y sound. So before that you need to add the article A. Now look at the next example, an honest man. See here, the word contains the letter H, but when we pronounce it, H is silent. So the pronunciation is honest, which begins with a vowel O. Hence, before that we have to add the article an. Next example, an hour. So in this case you will find H is in the spelling of hour, but when we pronounce it, it is silent and the pronunciation begins with A, hour. So before that you have to add the article an. Next example, an FBI agent. Look at the division FBI. I have highlighted the first sound. So though there is the letter F, but in the pronunciation there is a sound A, F, A. Okay, so before that you have to add the article an. The last example, an MBA. So this is the acronym, an MBA. Here is the letter M, but in the pronunciation there is a sound that is A, and A is vowel. So before that you have to add the article an. I hope you understood this rule. Next rule, before a noun that is introduced for the first time in speech or writing. Now I have given two examples. I found a purse on the road. The purse was heavy. Now this is the first reference, and for this first reference you have to add a before the noun, that is singular noun. I found a purse on the road. Next example, he was talking about an URL. This is also an acronym. He was talking about an URL, but it was incorrect. So first time, if someone is referring the noun, which can be a place, person or thing. Always use the indefinite article, either a or an. Next rule. Before a noun which represents not an individual person or thing but a whole class. Look at these two examples. I have underlined the nouns and articles. A car is approaching fast. So the underlined word is a car. So it represents a whole class of car. In the second sentence, a student should focus on study. Here I am not talking about a particular student. The noun student represents a whole class, means all the students. Every student should focus on study. So there comes a before the noun student. Let's move to another slide. The indefinite articles a and an are used to indicate the numeral 1. See these examples. One example means instead of saying one example, you can say an example. Instead of saying one book, you can say a book. One movie, you can say a movie. One egg, for this you can say an egg. So a and an here indicate the numeral 1, means number 1. Next rule. When the person referred to is a stranger to the speaker, see the example. My brother is watching a movie with a Gaurav. Here, my brother and Gaurav, they know each other. But if I am a speaker and I don't know the person, or the person is a stranger to me, I can say my brother is watching a movie with a Gaurav. Next rule. When the qualities of the person and not the person himself or herself are being referred to. See, such kind of sentences we use in day-to-day conversation. For example, Kanchan is a Madhuri Dixit. Means she is not actually Madhuri Dixit, but she is as talented as Madhuri Dixit. She can be a good actress. She can be a good dancer. So here Kanchan is compared with Madhuri Dixit. Next example. Soumya is a Ramanujan. We all know who is Ramanujan. He was a great mathematician. Soumya is a Ramanujan means here Soumya is compared with the person Ramanujan. So before such proper noun you can use the articles a or an. I hope you have enjoyed this presentation. Now for more details you can refer to our textbook, that is Literary Gleam. Thank you very much. Stay home and stay learning.